Good day, guys. Today I'll be testing this bad boy, the Ingco 300 Newton meter impact wrench. I'll be testing it against my wheel nuts here, and I've already torqued all these wheel nuts. This one is torqued to 140 Newton meter. This one is torqued to 180 Newton meter. This one is torqued to 200 Newton meter, and this one is torqued to 210 Newton meter. So let's see how this bad boy does its job. So we're gonna start with this one for 140 Newton meter. Okay, it's out. And then the 180. Okay, it's out. 200 Newton meter. Okay, it's out. 210 Newton meter. It's out. It did struggle a bit on the, I would say between this and this. This is 200 Newton meter and this is 210 Newton meter. But I think it will work mostly in small automotive work. I don't know. What do you guys think?